Hello YouTube, Realtek is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a black screen with cursor after login error in Windows computer. You may see a black screen with a cursor on your computer. So if you are facing this problem on this tutorial, I'm going to show you a solution. So let's start the solution. If you cannot use the cursor, or if these things are not visible, just click Ctrl Shift ISC at the same time and it will directly opens here the task manager. So after the task manager open, click here the file option and select run new task. So after the run new task came to the screen, just type services.msc, then click here, which is select, don't forget to select create this task with an administrative privilege, click here OK. So after that, here the services section open, and on the top you will find here app readiness. So select this app readiness, right click on it and select the properties option. Then after that, go here and select disabled option. Then after that, click here apply and select here OK. Then after that, again go here and make sure it's under the disabled option. So after that, then scroll down and find here the Windows Explorer. So after you find the Windows Explorer, right click on it and select here restart. Your file explorer will restart. Then after that, click here the file option and select run new task. Then type here cmd and again click here the administrative privilege and select here OK. Then after that, type here shut down /x/r, then press enter. This will make your computer a force restart to your computer. So this is the solution to fix a black screen with cursor error. So if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Realtek out.